everybody, welcome to YSCon Driving. We are at the Inokom plant in Kulim, and what you're looking at is one of the first Porsche Cayennes to be locally assembled here, and this is the only assembly plant outside of Europe that is doing the assembly of Porsche cars. And we are members of the media who have been invited to come here and look at this. They have actually put in my name on the car, well, just to commemorate that moment. And yes, this is the Porsche Cayenne, and the Cayenne will be the first Porsche to be assembled here locally in Malaysia. So remember this, guys, this is the only plant outside of Europe that assembles Porsche cars.